Good morning, everyone, and Kurumjari to especially all my Manipuri friends, my brothers, my sisters. My name is Amit Tong, and I am from Singai Pro. I have a salon, New Lark Salon. I'm working there as a creative director. I'm from Delhi, but I'm settled here in Manipur. Related to this award which I have won, it is actually India Hairstyle Icon Award, which happened in Mumbai at St. Regis Hotel. So this award happens once in 3 years. I was lucky enough to drag this award. Actually, what happened? The Streax professional, the managing marketing person, they came to me and they asked me to participate in this program. But I was very busy. I denied twice or three times about this award. But he was insisting me, sir, please, because I know your talent. Please, at least if you try, we are sure that we can really drag this award. We can bring this trophy to the Manipur. So then I sent my how to say my initial entries, and then I was selected for the semi-finalist. So then they called me in Guwahati for semi-finalist, and there was like around 100 people. We were participating for the final. So in that 100 people, I was the only one lucky enough to get and to go to the final. So they selected me for the final. So then this award actually it was held all over the India, all the different states of India. So even Delhi also, Bangalore, Guwahati, Mumbai, Calcutta. So then all among like other states, we were the 10 finalists that we were called to Mumbai for the final round. And then in Mumbai, it was a Bombay Fashion Week also it was happening. So they have a joint how to say they have joint collaboration with Bombay Fashion Week, Times of India, and the Streax Professional. So all the three brands they collaborate each other, and this finale happened in St. Regis, Bombay, on 2nd October. So we had to show our before and after coloring, hair cutting, all the techniques. Even the technical round also was there. A theory round was also there. So I passed through all the steps, and I was lucky enough to drag this award. And I'm very happy that this trophy actually I could be able to bring to the Manipur, because now this is a national trophy, national award, so everybody is aware, yes, where this trophy is going. So I'm very happy, very fortunate that yes, at least I could do something for the Manipur, and I could be the reason to flag off Manipur name in the national award. My suggestion for the youth, especially the people who are in this industry or who want to join this industry, or even who are thinking to join this industry. This industry has become very vast, very wide. Why? Because before people used to think as a hairdresser, hairstylist is just a lower level of job or a skill. But to be very honest, what I have achieved through this industry only, if I'm sitting here in front of you guys, it's just because of this profession. Nowadays, there is no like small profession or big professional. All are equal. The only thing is you need to give your best in it and then show to the people, yes, you can also make each and every one of us proud. How I started this profession, when I was in college, the moment I finished my college in Delhi University, I joined this course as uh, like a basic hairdressing course from Delhi VLCC. Then because I was a graduate, and they immediately they hired me for this. Immediately they hired me for as a technical trainer for VLCC for West Zone. So I was lucky enough to go to Bombay with the job, keeping dreams in my heart. So then when I went to Bombay, then the L'Oreal company, they hired me for technical educator. I was there, and then the Shoskov hired me, and then they sent me to Malaysia. I was there like around 1 year in Kuala Lumpur for my advanced skill, for my trainings. I went to Bangkok also, like around for master classes for a month or 2 months. That also I was sent by the company. So everything, if I calculate, it's a very good opportunity which I got, and I have the knowledge how I can uh, how I can suggest my all youngsters to go for this line, how to go, how to learn, where to learn, and especially which field and which institute is the best for them to pursue this line. Um, there are international institutes also in India, Vidal Sassoon, L'Oreal Earth. There are so many institutes. So we can go and we can train ourselves. But yes, it's a very expensive. This course just for a month or like for 2 months or 5 months like that, it demands like more than 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh rupees of the fees. In Manipur, I also trained. I as like being in Manipur, I want to educate youngsters of Manipur. I want to train them, whoever wants to learn this line. I have already trained so many people, and I have placed them also outside also and here in Manipur also. I don't charge them any fees. I teach them free of cost. That is like my little contribution for the youth of this Manipur. So yeah, this is like a very good journey it has been. Whoever need my guidance or like my teaching or anything related to this field, if they want to pursue, or even if they are even thinking of doing this, so you guys are most welcome, free to come. I will always be there for you, to educate, to share my knowledge and how to pursue this line and how to become the best in it. Thank you so much. And one more thing I want to say. Now today I have brought this trophy. Now after three years, it is my wish then this trophy come back again. Uh, my youngsters or any of my friends who are in Manipur, who are already doing well in the salons as a hairdresser or senior hairstylist, I want to request them to take part in that type of competitions and award functions and bring more trophies like this, more better than this, this Manipur, so that we can be more proud to our Manipur, to the nations. Thank you so much for that.